Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Zapier to QuickBooks. In this walkthrough, we'll start inside QuickBooks Online and show you exactly where to find the Zapier listing so you can review details and prepare for a smooth connection. Zapier lets you automate tasks between QuickBooks and hundreds of other apps, so doing this from the official QuickBooks area ensures you're choosing the correct supported integration. Begin by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser and signing in to your company. For the best experience, use a modern browser and make sure any pop-up blockers are disabled for QuickBooks. Once your dashboard loads, look toward the upper right area of the screen for the Integrations option. Depending on your layout, this may appear as Integrations or be grouped under an Apps section. If your window is narrow, try maximizing it or zooming out slightly so the option appears clearly. Click Integrations to open the dedicated space where QuickBooks centralizes approved app connections. From here, choose Find Integrations. This takes you into QuickBooks App Discovery view, where you can search and browse vetted tools that work with your plan. In the search bar, type Zapier. As you type, QuickBooks will filter the results. Look for the official Zapier app card. It should display the Zapier name, a brief description, and ratings or reviews that help confirm you're viewing the correct listing. Selecting the right card is important to ensure you're connecting through the trusted channel maintained for QuickBooks Online. Click Zapier in the results to open its app card. Before proceeding further, make sure your QuickBooks Online subscription is active and supports integrations. If your plan is lapsed or doesn't include app connections, QuickBooks may limit access to installation and connection features. Verifying your plan now helps avoid interruptions later. With the Zapier card open, click Learn More. This page is where QuickBooks provides detailed information about what the integration can do, the data it can access, and any plan or permission requirements. Review the overview to understand supported use cases, like creating invoices from form submissions or syncing customers from a CRM. Check the permissions section so you know exactly what information Zapier will read or update in your QuickBooks company. It's also helpful to look over user reviews and any notes on compatibility to set expectations and confirm it aligns with your workflow. At this point, you've successfully located Zapier within QuickBooks, confirmed your subscription needs, and opened the Learn More page to evaluate features and requirements. When you're ready, you can proceed from here within QuickBooks to continue setting up the integration on terms that suit your business.